We have an aqueduct of Sylvius, which connects from the third ventricle, this area down here, down to the fourth ventricle. It runs from out of the third ventricle, behind this large lump right here, we'll name that in just a minute, comes straight down through here, and this passageway up until the fourth ventricle. The entire passageway is called the aqueduct of Sylvius, or the cerebral aqueduct, that channel through there. Next to third and fourth ventricle. Mammillary body is the structure which we can see from the outside as well. I'll go back and show you that on the outside view, but we can see internally here is a structure that's been sectioned in half right there. When we view through the cranial nerves on the outside, I'll show you again where it is on the outside. You can compare that location to this inside location for the
pineal body. That's the pineal body right there.
The pineal body is quite a bit larger in a sheep than it is in a human, relative to the proportional size of the brain. It's this other round structure right here. This is one half of it. We slice through it by making a sagittal section. Corpora quadrigemina actually means four bodies. Okay, there are four structures that make up the corpora quadrigemina. There are two superior colliculi and two inferior colliculi.
And then what you're going to do is, with one hand, you're going to grab the cerebrum, which is the large part, and the other hand, you're going to grab the cerebellum, which is the smaller part. And then very gently flex the two like this. Okay, so you kind of expose what's inside that transverse fissure. Okay, so when you do that, do you see basically it looks like two butts mooning, right? So you have a bigger butt on top with two big butt cheeks, and then you have a smaller butt on the bottom with two smaller butt cheeks. Okay, so all four butt cheeks in total, well, we call that the corpora quadrigemina, right? But the two bigger butt cheeks on top, we call those the two superior colliculi. And the two smaller butt cheeks on the bottom, we call those the inferior colliculi. Okay? But as a whole, corpora quadrigemina.
One half of the corpora quadrigemina. The total corpora quadrigemina requires two superior colliculi, one from each side, so we need the whole brain together. Actually, I think what I'll do is I'll take this other one that is still intact, fold it open, and let you see the whole corpora